Hello friends and colleagues, Mel Drury here with eXp Realty. I wanted to share with you my latest remodel project, which ended up turning into my personal residence. This was a complete teardown to the original slab and keeping a couple of walls. It took close to 2 years to complete. However, in due respect, Hurricane Irma hit Naples during the beginning of the construction, so we were delayed several months. All in all, this was a tremendous experience. Contracting, building, designing, dealing with Collier counties, building codes and compliance. I can tell you I've flipped many properties, and I can say for certain that a complete teardown can be exhausting, but very rewarding. I do have to give credit to subcontractors, Rob Ricciardelli and his crew, John Cook, Rick Hudick, Andreas Chica, and many others. The end result, as you see, came out magnificently. Some of you may be asking, so Mel, what did all this cost you? Well, since it's my personal home, I'm going to have to keep that one a secret. But since the acquisition is public record, I can tell you that it was purchased for $615,000. And the remodel cost was well over that figure. For those of you that are not familiar with Pine Ridge Estates, it is a high-end community of North Naples with over an acre of land and less than a mile from the beach. So with that said, prices range from $700,000 to $1.2 million for teardowns to over $6 million for newly constructed and remodeled homes. In 2018, Pine Ridge Estates was ranked #1 community in the United States by Anthem Data Solutions based on schools, crime, home price appreciation, and other factors. Needless to say, there's a lot of teardown projects going on now right here in the neighborhood. So if you're interested in purchasing a home to rehab, or if you're an investor wanting to partner up, then give me a call or shoot me an email to schedule an introduction. Alright folks, what do you think? I love getting feedback from everyone, so please leave me a comment. Let me know if you like the transformation. Also, check out the latest properties on the market at www.naplesluxuryhomesearch.com. Thanks for taking the time to view my project and comment. Until next time, Mel Drury, eXp Realty, signing off.